Good afternoon, traders. I hope you are doing well. My name is Alex, and today we are again back with gold analysis. Yesterday, we have seen that there was a well support that was about 2380 level, and today, just in the morning during early Asian session, gold made the high of 2429. For now, during the London session, we have seen that it is moving around the same range and it is being consolidated. It is a 15-minute chart. And now let's discuss what are the Friday opportunities we are having, as there are no major data expected in the market. We can see that the movement will be due to the technical. Okay, so today the technical analysis will work the best and supports and resistance will work so fine. So, like if we talk about the resistance first, then we will be seeing that there are some good levels of 2429, the first resistance. Above this, there is a support resistance of 2458, and above that, there is 2477. So, for today, what we know is like if this breaks to today's morning's resistance, then there is a bullish chance and bullish continuation, and above that, also there is a good volatility expected. But for as there are no major datas, we can see that on the maximum side, in the upper side, gold can move up till 2358. Now we will be talking about the downside. What if gold goes down? So right now, if you see, this area is totally blank. Right now there are no support levels between the level above 2400 level. Okay, so what we can expect that if gold sustain this level below the resistance of 2429, then we can say that gold will move down to do the correction, or it will take a complete reversal. So for the correction side, if we talk, then yes, we have to first draw the Fibonacci retracement level. We will take yesterday's low and we will take today's high. That this is the wave that we are talking about. And when we see this, we draw this, we are getting three levels, that is 2410, 2404, and 2399. So now let's suppose gold stays below this support resistance of 2429, then we can easily target, the sellers can easily sell from this range and scalp trade with the target of 2410, 2404, or 2399. In the downside, if this breaks this support of 2399, then there is a very high possibility that the selling trend will continue with the next targets of 2380 and 2364. Okay, so for now what we will do is we will draw the support range that we can see between the range of 2404 and this 2399. Okay, so we can see that the consolidation will result in the downward correction if gold remains below 2429. Okay, and above this we know that it will be in the bullish side. So for bullish side also we will be drawing some tools. Okay, we will be using the Fibonacci extension tool, so that we know how much and in what sense gold will be moving in the upside if it breaks 2430 resistance. So as you can see right now, it is below 1.618 fib level, and in the upside we can see it, this is showing 2452. So right now what we can see during US session, it moves in the upside, then this will be the range where the buyers will be putting their targets, that is between 2458 to 2450. Here the most of the profit booking will be done, and here we can see the downside correction from this point 2452. So for sellers right now, it is the good opportunity to take a sell, but in case if it breaks 2430, then they have to wait for 2452 to 2458 range to sell again. Or else for the buyer side, let's talk how they can buy. So for buyers, it is very important to wait for now. They should not buy at such high level. What they should do is they wait for 2402 to 2408, this support zone, and buy from dip. If it holds here, then they can buy and easily target 2430 level of resistance, or about 2452 for Monday market for or for next week. But for today, if it comes down, it stays here, then buy here. and if it does not stays here and it breaks the 2400 psychological level, then it will surely fall down. So they should not buy at all if this happens today. In the upper side, if gold first breaks 2330, then what they can do is whenever it comes and retest here, then they can buy from immediate prices around this level only, between 2430 to 2425. They can buy from here and they can target 2452 in the upside. Okay, so this is the basic buy and sell signals for today also we have given to our clients. If you want to know more, or you want to get detailed analysis about the technicals or about the fundamentals of the market, then you can follow us on our WhatsApp group also. You can join that, it is totally free, and there you will get a lot of information. And if you need any kind of paid assistance or something like that, then you can contact us directly, direct messages, and we are always there to help you. Thank you so much for your time and have a great nice weekend. Thank you.